Hi, this is Trisha from Cube Her Way. In this video, we are in the final stage of solving our Rubik's Cube. The final step is just to solve these last four corners of our cube, and then it will be solved. If you are just getting started with solving your cube, be sure to check out my other videos as I walk you step by step through solving the white cross, solving the white corners to our second layer, and then our yellow cross, which we have solved here. The first step here is we want to make sure the corners are positioned where they're supposed to. They may not be solved, but we do want to get them in the right location. So in this case, we are not in the right location. None of them are in the right location. So the series of moves that you want to learn for this, we're going to start by turning our top to the left, and then we are going to bring our right side up, and then using our left hand we are going to rotate the top to the right, and then we are going to bring our left side up, and then we are going to sort of do the opposite. We're going to bring that top to the left, and in this case we're going to bring that right side down, and then we'll bring this top back to the right and then bring this left side down. So let's go ahead and take a look at our corners, see if they are in the correct position or not. We are not. We are not. We are not. In this case, we are positioned where we want it to be. Once you get a corner that is correct, it doesn't necessarily have to be solved like it is for this corner. It just needs to be in the right position. You'll want to put that here in the front right corner here, and then we are going to repeat those steps. So with our top here, we are going to push it to the left, rotating that right side up. We're going to push the top to the right, and then we'll bring this left side up, and then we are going to now repeat that, but going down. We're going to go to pushing our top to the left, bringing our right side down, pushing this top to the right, bringing our left side down. So let's go ahead and check our corners. We are still correct there. We now see this one is in the correct position. We have green, orange, yellow is in the correct position, red, green, yellow in the correct position. So now our corners are where they're supposed to be. They are just not solved yet. So once you get it to this stage, we are going to turn it over. We'll bring our white side to the top, yellow side down. And so now you want to position one of your corners that is not yet solved. And then we are going to do our right four moves that we've used before in solving this cube. And what you'll notice with this step is the top two layers will start to look unsolved. And that's okay, because when we finish resolving all these pieces, it will return to what we want it to be. So in this case, we have our blue side front, we have our bottom corner here, and we are going to do those right four moves. So we are going to go up with the right, pushing to the left with our top. We'll go down with the right, and then we are pushing to the right with our top. We can see that that corner is not yet solved, so we are going to repeat. So we'll go up, pushing the top to the left, right side down, pushing the top to the right. And now we can see that this corner has been positioned. In this case, you want to make sure this side, in this case it's the blue side, stays forward, and now we are just going to rotate our bottom. And then you want to bring another piece that's not solved. This one's already solved, so we'll continue to rotate. This one is not solved, so we'll position that in our bottom right, and then we are going to do those right four moves. So we'll go up on the right, pushing to the left with the top, down on the right, pushing to the right with the top. Checking our corner, it's not yet solved. We'll go up with the right, pushing to the left with our top, down with the right, and then pushing our top to the right here. And we can see that we are now solved in that corner. So we'll keep our blue face forward, just rotating the bottom. And we have our last corner here. we will repeat those moves until our cube is solved. So we are going to go up with the right, pushing to the left with the top, down with the right, pushing to the right with the top. We are not solved yet, so we'll go up with the right, pushing to the left with the top, down with the right, and then we have solved it. So now we just need to position our pieces where they need to go, and we have a solved Rubik's Cube. It's definitely cool to see it all solved. Thanks for watching this video series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Cuberway. See you next time.